Abad. How are you? This is a square. I don't know. But
Today we want to go.
square Hafiz. Yeah.
We want to go to Elite and
Delir or Delir. I don't know.
we want to camp.
Ella.
From today, I wanna speak in English. I know that maybe I have a lot of mistakes in my speech, but let's try it. We arrived to this place, still 22 kilometers remain to arrive to Delir. We arrived to Elite village. Some of the guys was hungry and they ate some few bites. I find this fruit. I want to pick some of them. Let me see that. Look, I pick. Okay, guys, we came here. I didn't know that we want to come here. I get surprised. They want to camp in here. We separated the tent. Let me to show you. And also we put all of our stuff here inside the tent. We close it. We wanna go. We wanna go to that part and eat fruit. Okay, guys. We're walking to here. Oma is afraid of heights. That's why she walks slowly. Look at the clouds. The clouds are coming here. We should go there, up the mountain. Let's go. Just a little remain.
Oh, hello.
Are you tired?
Yeah, I'm tired. Because I don't have any piyadera walking.
Yeah, our group is lazy. They don't want to walk.
No, I'm not
Just-
lazy because.
No, I'm talking about our group. Yeah, they don't.
I'm sorry.
They don't want to walk.
I don't understand you.
Yeah. Okay, guys. We come back to our place and now we wanna make our food for lunch. This is our food and I wanna make some salad. And this is one
I wanna make adas
lentil and this is lentil and rice. I show you how I make salad.
What are you doing?
I make salad.
Wow, such a wow.
Yeah, it's so delicious. I also have onion
Onion and tomato.
and cucumber and fresh lemon.
Salad Shirazi.
Yeah.
This is for Shiraz.
Yeah, it came from Shiraz, but they say that because it's so small, not like this. And also they put some vinegar, I think,
I think
on that.
this is very delicious.
Yeah, it's very delicious.
Okay. It's the last level, you just put the lemon juice on that, and after that put a little salt. Do you have salt? And mix it. Just it. Our food is ready. Our salad, fruit, and this date. Okay, guys, we lie down to rest a little. Also, not take video. Take video. Take video. Guys dancing and sitting there, and we came here to از روستا واسش آب و چیز آوردی؟
آره.
دور خونتون از اینجا؟
نه اینجا پایین ماشین.
عزیزم بریم. نه بابا بیا. برو. We come to village. Took a little walking. سلام. میفروشن. They said that in here these women sell yogurt, milk, and also beans like this. It's fresh. Look at this house. It's so old and they fix it like this. Look at this old roof. From near it looks so beautiful. There is a lot of old house in here. This house that you see are some of them. We are thirsty. Let's go drink water. This woman that you see is also picking beans. There is a river at that part. Come back to camp. They dance. Today we just discovered here. It was really nice. We still didn't wash our dishes, and now we wanna to wash them and put in our tent because we need them for dinner. Look at this car. It's so amazing. Look at here, we can't do nothing. It's so funny. Just look. Okay guys, I will see you. We're gonna sleep and I'll see you in tomorrow. Bye bye.